Welcome to Poseidon's Beach Resort. This place is so beautiful. The beach is right there and the views are amazing. Check this out. You have your restaurant right there. You have the snack shack. Table tennis and billiards. They keep this place so clean. Alright guys, there you go, Poseidon's Beach Resort. Look in the description below to links to their site where you can book your trip today. This place is located in Anda, Philippines on the island Bohol. It's such a peaceful getaway. You could see the beauty here. Come experience it for yourself. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more.